This video is to show how to select default apps in Windows 10. Go to Start button, and on top of the Start button you can see Settings. Click on Settings. On the Settings page, go to Apps, and when the Apps window is open, you can go to Default Apps on the left hand side. When you click the default apps, it will show up the window where it shows all the current default apps. To change this one, click on one and it will show all the appropriate apps that you can select for that one. So I'm going to choose VLC player here. Now it is set as VLC player. Same way, if you want to change the default app for the video player, click in here and then select the appropriate app that you need. Likewise, for web browser, if you want to change, click and then select the app. That's it for the video. Thank you.